This is the content of unit 3 and the lecture is number 5. Topic equilibrium in 3 dimensions. So, let us understand what is static equilibrium equations in 3D. In 3D. In 2D, we have sigma f x equal to 0, sigma f y equal to 0, sigma m z equals to 0. Okay, that has been told in your previous classes, and we solved few questions also. When a structure is in 3 dimension, say this point, okay, if this point is in 3 dimension, okay, and say this point is in 2 dimension, okay, say x and y only. So, this point is free to move, okay, say delta x, it is free to move in vertical direction, say delta y, and it is free to move, free to rotate along the perpendicular to both. Okay, that can be, rotation can be possible. Okay, and if this point has to be in static condition, therefore, delta x, delta y, theta z, that has to be 0. That is why we have equations, additional equations, sigma f x 0, sigma f y equals to 0, and to make the 0 value of this, we have sigma m z equals to 0. Okay. These number 1, 2, 3, these are the equations, equilibrium equation in case of 2D, in case of 2D. Okay. In case of 3D, that point is free to move in x, y and z, okay, delta y and delta z, and this point is also free to rotate along all these 3 axes, along all these 3 axes. Therefore, to make all degrees of freedom as 0, we have sigma for this sigma f x 0, for this sigma f y 0, for this sigma m z sigma f z equal to 0, for this sigma m 0, for this sigma y 0, for this sigma m z 0. Okay. So, total equilibrium equations in this case are 6: sigma f x, sigma f y, sigma f z 0, 0, 0, okay, plus sigma m x, sigma m y, sigma m z equals to 0 is equal to 0 is equal to 0 for 3 this 3. So, total 6 available equilibrium equation is available in case of 3 dimensional figure. What are 3 dimensional structures? So, let us take the example of tripod. Let us take the example of tripod. Okay. Okay. Tripod. You might be seeing that this tripod has been used, okay, has been used by surveyors, has been used by the camera persons to fix the camera at certain height at certain height from the ground, at certain height from the ground, say this is the ground level, say this is the ground level, okay, say this is the ground level. To make certain height, tripod can be used, okay. Instrument has to be provided at this height, then that instrument has certain load means W, and that load has to be transferred to the earth by means of these legs of the tripod, okay, by means of these legs of the tripod. Okay. They are giving the pressure. Okay. So, if they are giving the pressure to earth, okay, by this force, then to have the equilibrium of this leg, this nature of force must be there, and that is which one? That is compression. Okay. That is compression. Okay. At the earth pressure, okay, say this value is F1, say this value is F1. So, at this point, say this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Okay. So, the leg of tripod at this point is giving the pressure of F1, and this member say say this point is this. So, this member AD, this is the pressure at this point F1 is coming through this member, and that member has to be in compression. That will possible only when this member is in compression. Similarly, at point B, certain force, certain pressure has to be transferred to the ground, okay, through this. Suppose this is F2, this is F3. Okay. So, how much this sign, okay, this sign, okay, reverse sign, okay, reverse, okay. This is actually for this is for tension, this is for compression actually. This is for compression, this is for tension sign. Okay. So, total pressure will be what? Total pressure, vertical pressure at point A, B, C will be what? This one W, vertical pressure. Okay. If this is inclined at an angle of at point B, at point A, if it is inclined, F is acting, F1 is acting by this this angle theta. So, F1 cos theta. Okay. So, this one vertical pressure here, similarly at point A, similarly at point B, vertical pressure F2 into say theta, if this is theta 1, say theta 2, F1 cos theta 1, theta 2, F here F3 cos theta 3, the summation will be equal to that. Okay. So, that load is being transferred to the earth. So, this is the one case in 3D. Okay. So, other thing, let us calculate, let us take one problem to solve. Okay. Prior to give the solution, I would like to tell you how it can be solved. Okay. So, in previous example, I have taken a tripod. Okay. And I told you that tripod at point that tripod will transfer certain load to the ground. Okay. Say this is F1, say this is F2, say this is F3. Okay. So, how F1, F2, F3 can be written, how F1, F2, F3 can be written. Okay. Actually, if we use the equilibrium equation, sigma f x equals to 0, sigma f y equals to 0, or sigma f z equals to 0. If we are using these equations, okay, then we need to resolve all forces along x, along y, along z axis. We need to resolve these forces, and what will be the angle, that is very difficult. Okay. In 2D it is simple, okay. In 2D it is very simple. Okay. Okay. Any force is acting either from this side, this one inclination, we can resolve into it in perpendicular axis, but in 3D imagination we can calculate, but the possibility of error is very high. So, in that case we use vector method. If we are able to write forces in member AD by F1 by vector F1, if I am able to write the force in member DB as vector F2, similarly vector F3 for member in CD, then it is very easy. Since it is in case of 3D, so unit vector along x axis, this is I, unit vector along y, it is j, it is k cap, okay, unit vector, okay, that we know very well, unit vector along x, y and z. So, with the help of vector, we can represent these forces, okay. And value of F1 will be what? It is F1, it is mod of F1, means magnitude of F1 multiplied by unit vector along F1. Okay. So, vector F1 can be written if we know the unit vector along F1. In this case, what will be the unit vector? Unit vector will be, since this force is acting from A to D, if we are considering this one part, okay, if we are considering the upper one part, okay, if I am considering upper one part for instrument and for this, okay, this one part if I am neglecting, okay. So, this is actually FBD, FBD. So, F1 is acting from A to D, So, F1 is acting from, okay, A to D. So, it is AD, unit vector AD, and AD is what? Vector AD divided by mod of AD, okay. And AD, vector AD will be what? It will be the position vector of OD minus position vector of OA, and the position vector can be calculated, can be known to us if we know the coordinate of point A and D. If we know the coordinate of point A and D, then it is very simple. Okay. If the coordinate of point A is A1, B1, C1, okay, yeah, say A1, A2, A3, okay, okay, and the coordinate of D is say D1, D2, say D3. So, what will be the value of this? This will be AD will be what? AD will be yeah, this one is OD, D1 minus A1 I cap plus D2 minus A2 j cap plus D3 minus A3 k cap. This will be the vector AD. Okay. And magnitude, that can be D1 minus A1 square plus D2 minus A2 square plus D3 minus actually A3 D3 minus A3 square, that can be calculated. Vector AD, and this is the mod of AD. If we know this, then unit vector along F is known to us. Okay. Provided we know the coordinate, right. Similarly, vector F2 will be mod of F2 multiplied by it will be B D, unit vector B D. Okay. F3 will be what? Magnitude multiplied by unit vector C D. Okay. C D. And at point D, we will apply the equilibrium equation. What will be the equilibrium equation at point D? At point D, equilibrium equations will be at point D. Okay. At point D, sum of all forces, that should be equals to 0, that will be equals to be 0. F at point D equals to 0. And what will be the F? FD will be what? That will be vector F1 plus vector F2 plus vector F3 and plus load vector of the instrument. Okay. What will be the load vector? W. What will be the load vector? W. W will be what? If its weight is W, okay, if its weight is W, then what will be the unit vector? Okay, unit vector, if I am taking the this smart board as x and y, okay, then the elevation from the ground, if I am taking this as z axis, then it will be then the unit vector along the load, it will be what? K cap. So, the load vector will be what? If magnitude W multiplied by K cap. So, FD is this one, okay, and that should be equal to 0, okay. And if it is 0, then it will have x component of I plus y component of j plus z component of k, and we know that x component will be the function of f1, f2 and f3, y component and z component, all these three will be the component of f1, f2 and f3. Okay. And since this is vector 0, then what will be? X equal to 0, okay. Then x is equal to 0, y equals to 0, z equals to 0, okay. And x are the function of f1, f2, f3, okay. X, y and z, these are the function of f1, f2 and f3. So, by doing this procedure, we can calculate the value of forces in this tripod, okay, So, this is the equilibrium of 3 dimension, okay. So, let us solve this problem. In this case, a tripod is given to us, and tripod legs is on the ground at point B, C and D. B, C and D. Position of B, C and D has been represented in xy plane. Okay, I have represented in xy plane. Okay. B point, we have taken point B as origin. We have taken point B as origin. So, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0. Okay. And we are taking here z coordinate as the elevation. Okay. For a ground level we are taking 0, and for a upward movement we are taking positive. So, point B, point C, point D. Okay. Point B, this is ground, this is on ground, point B ground, point C is on ground, okay, point D is on ground. So, z coordinate is 0, z coordinates are 0. So, point B is origin in our case. Okay. Now, x and y coordinate for B, C, D can be calculated through this figure. Okay. Length BC is given to us, it is 2.5, CD is given to us 2.5, right. BC 2.5, CD 2.5, BD is also given to us, it is 2 meter. Okay, since this angle is same distance, so this angle same. So, BC, this one distance, that distance will be 1, that distance will also be 1. Okay. So, x coordinate of point C, will be what? 1. Okay. And y coordinate will be this distance, and that distance will be calculated by under root of 2.5 square minus 1 square, and it will be 2.291, right. So, the coordinate of C and B has been calculated. Coordinate of D x 0, x 2, x component 2, y component is 0. So, B, C, D, E and B, C, D, coordinate of B, C and D has been completed. Okay. We need the coordinate of point A also, because at point A, instrument of load W is equal to 100 kilonewton is hanging at point A. Okay, as hanging at point A, and in this question the position of A is defined in such a manner that it is exactly above the point F. It is exactly above this point F. Okay, and this point F is the midpoint of BE, and E point is the midpoint of CD. So, the x and y coordinate of point F will be same as for A and B, for A. Okay. The coordinate of x and y will be same as for A. So, x and y coordinate can be calculated, x and y coordinate for F will be calculated easily. How? You find the coordinate of E, since this is the midpoint. So, coordinate of E, it is 1.5. Why it is 1.5? Because it is the midpoint of CD. So, CD x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 2. So, it is 1 plus 2 means 3 divided by 2, we will get 1.5. Similarly, y coordinate 2.291 plus 0 divided by 2 this. Okay. Similarly, F coordinate of F, coordinate of point F can be calculated by B and E. B is 0, E is this 1.5. So, what will be the x coordinate? 0.75. Okay. Similarly, the y coordinate for point F will be 0 plus 1.146 means 0.573. So, these coordinate xy coordinate is same for A and for A. Okay. Now, coordinate has been known to us. If the coordinate is known to us, then the force in this member, in this leg, okay, force in this leg can be, okay, can be this one, okay, okay, let me, can be calculated very easily, can be calculated very easily, can be calculated very easily. Okay. Our legs will have this type of compression type of things. Okay. So, let us consider this FBD, this is FBD, let us consider this FBD. Say this one is force F1, say this force is F2, this force is F3. So, in this question we need to find the value of F1, F2 and F3. We need to find the value of these three, F1, F2 and F3. F1, F2, F3 are what? The load, the compression forces coming on the leg of the tripod due to weight placed at the apex A as 100 kilonewton, okay, which apex A is 3 meter height from the ground, that is why z coordinate is 3, right. Now, how F1, F2, how F1, F2 and F3 can be written? How it can be written? By F1 into unit vector. Unit vector is what? For F1, unit vector is what? For B A, unit vector B A. Okay. Value of F2 will be what? F2 into F2 is acting between D to A, D A, unit vector D A. F3, value of F3 will be, it is acting from C to A, means F3 into C, unit vector C A, right. Coordinate is known to us, okay. We are able to write the forces F1, F2, F3 in the form of in the vector form. Then what is the problem? Nothing, okay. So, calculate the unit vector B A, calculate the unit vector B A, okay. So, so first of all calculate vector, okay. So, calculate first of all vector. So, it is vector B A, it is position vector of A minus position vector of B, right. So, O A is this 0.75, x is 0.75, B is 0. So, it is 0.75 I cap, okay, okay, and this one 0.573 minus 0 point B, okay. So, it is plus 0.573 j cap plus 3 k cap, okay, because B is the origin, because B is the origin. So, what is the unit vector? What is unit vector? Unit vector will be mod of this one, okay. So, it is 0.75 I cap plus 0.573 k cap, no j cap, let me erase, okay, it is j cap plus 3 k cap, and its magnitude is, you can calculate the magnitude, by under root of this one is square plus this one is square plus this one is square, okay. So, B A is known to us. So, F1 is what? Vector F1 is F1 in terms of certain value I, okay, plus F1 plus j cap plus certain value k cap, okay. Similarly, F2 will be written by F2 certain value I cap plus certain value j cap plus certain value k cap, okay. F3 will be written as F3 certain value I cap plus j cap plus k cap, right. Now, and load vector w is 100 k cap minus 100 k cap, because it is acting in downward. Okay. Now, apply the equilibrium equation at A, f is equal to 0 and this is f 1 plus f 2 plus f 3 plus w is equal to 0. So, you will get 3 equation in terms of f 1, f 2, f 3, and after solving these equations, you are able to find. Okay. So, do by yourself. So, this was the explanation how 3 dimensional questions can be solved. Okay. It is better to solve the it is better to use the vector form, represent all forces in vector form we can calculate. Okay. Thank you very much.